Standard 8 Maths Expansion Formulae Part 5. Students, today we are going to see the expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, we have finished the practice set 5.3. We did the expansion of a minus b whole cube. Then we did the simplification also, that is the second sum. I showed you two sums and the remaining I think you have completed. Now let us go to the next part, that is expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. Now any time when we have a whole square, this means that we have to multiply this twice, 2 times. So the meaning of this a plus b plus c whole square is a plus b plus c multiplied by a plus b plus c. So this all three we have to multiply to this all three. So we'll start with first letter A. We'll multiply this A to all the three. Then we'll multiply this B to all the three. And then we'll multiply the C to all the three. Same way we can do the expansion of A plus B minus C, A minus B plus C, any number, any alphabets which are given in the whole square type, you have to multiply the same brackets twice. Okay, so now first is this A, first term A. It will be a big equation, it will come in the next line. So I'll start from here. Okay, so this A I am multiplying to the whole bracket A plus B plus C. First we have to write it like this. Next, what is the sign you have to see here? It is plus. So plus B into bracket A plus B plus C. Then plus C into bracket A plus B plus C. I hope you have followed all this. First we multiplied this A to A plus B plus C. Then B to A plus B plus C. Then C to A plus B plus C. Okay, now we'll open the bracket. So A into A, or we'll write it like this. This will be A into A. Then whatever sign is here you will put, plus A into B, again the same sign, A into C. Now here again we'll have plus B into A, we'll write it as it is, plus B into B, plus B into C. Then we'll have C into A plus C into B plus C into C. Just see whether you are doing it properly. Whenever you do expand this, whenever you open the bracket, after writing all this, again go back and see whether you have written it correctly. See, A into A. See, now I have made a mistake over here. I have written A into B. So I have to write A into A. So even teacher can make mistake. So the students are bound to make mistake, but we have to correct our mistakes. So this is A into A. Then we have A into B. Then we have A into C. Next, plus sign B into A, B into B, and B into C. Then plus sign C into A, C into B, and C into C. So now whatever mistake we had done, we have rectified it. Now we'll do the actual, write the actual multiplication, whatever product we are getting. So A into A will give me A square. A into B will give me AB. Now we have to just, whenever there is multiplication sign between two alphabets, when we multiply, we just remove the multiplication sign. This shows that there is a multiplication sign, but we don't write it always. Plus A into C, that is AC. Plus again here B into A. So I can write it as BA, or I can write it as AB also. See, A into B and B into A is same, right? When we multiply 2 into 3, what answer we get? 6. And 3 into 2? 6. So even if I write 2 into 3 as 3 into 2, it will be the same. Same way when I write A into B or B into A, it will same. So it will be easier for me if they are in the same form. That is AB. So here also I write AB plus B square plus BC. Now here I have AC and here it is CA. So I can write it as AC, CA. Plus this also, now I have here BC. So I can write it as BC and plus C square. So all this I have multiplied, I have made it into a easier form. Now what we have to do is we have to take the like terms. Now what are the like terms? I have told you, where the variable is same and the index is also same. Numbers have no relation, or numbers are not important when we take the like terms. Important is what? Important is the variable, that is the alphabets, and the power of that alphabet. Now here the power of only these three is square, others power is 1 only. So we have to only see the like terms. Now this is AB, this is also AB. So there are, this is 1 AB and this is 1 AB. So we will have 2 AB. Same way now, this is AC. I'll put a circle down. This is also AC. This is BC and this is BC. A square, B square and C square will not change. They will not be added or anything. They will just remain as they are, because the alphabets are not same. Even though the power is same, alphabet is not same. So they will remain as it is. So we will have A square. Now this, I will first write all the squares together. Okay, A square plus B square plus C square. We have A square, B square and C square that I have written. Now plus, this is 1 AB, this is 1 AB, so it is 2 AB. Then 2 BC and 2 AC. So our answer is, final answer is this, that is the A plus B plus C whole square. This is a formula which you have to learn. Okay, you have, like we have A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, A plus B whole cube, A minus B whole cube. This also you have to remember. Okay, now very easy way to remember this is, see now, A square plus A plus B plus C whole square. So what we have here, A square, that is first term square, plus second term square, plus third term square, then plus 2 into AB. So plus 2 into the first two terms, then plus 2 into the second and third term, and then plus 2 into the first and the third term. Okay, so first A square plus B square plus C square, whatever three terms are there, we have to write the square of those three terms, then put a plus sign, write 2, then multiply the first and the second term here, again write plus, write 2, multiply the second and the third term, then again put plus sign, put a 2, multiply the first and the third term. Okay, that will be the formula. So it is easy to remember this formula. And when you do the A plus B minus C whole square or A minus B plus C, the terms will remain the same. Sorry, we will just have to multiply it in this way and see. So I'll solve one example. There is one example 2 in your textbook, page number 27. I will solve that example. The sum is 2p plus 3m plus 4n whole square. This is the sum. A plus B plus C whole square. Same form it is. Okay. Now what formula we are going to use? A plus B plus C whole square. You have to remember this formula. Again I am telling you. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus 2 into BC plus 2 into AC or CA, whatever you can write. This is the formula. Now what is in place of A here? 2p. What is in place of B? 3m. And what is in place of C? 4n. You have to write it down. Now let us substitute. In place of A square, what we will have? We will have 2p. Put a bracket now, because there are one number and one alphabet. So let us put it into bracket. Plus B square. What is B now? 3m. Plus C square. It is 4n. This much you have followed. A square plus B square plus C square. So A is 2p. So 2p whole square plus B is 3m whole square, and C is 4n whole square. Now next term is plus 2 into A into B. So plus 2. We have to write this 2. Okay, even though there is a 2 here for A, this is a 2 in our formula. Okay, that has nothing to do with the 2 with P. So what is in place of A now? 2p. So we will multiply by 2p multiplied by B, that is 3m. Understand this. The 2 in the formula you have to write it. Even though there is a 2 or a 3 or a 4 over here, you have to write this 2 because that is the part of our formula. This part we have done. Plus now 2 into b. So when you are writing this, you have to be very careful because sometimes we write the separate terms like I did over there. So we can make a mistake over here. 2 into a, see, and don't talk to each other or don't do anything else when you're doing this sum, because while talking also we can, instead of 2p, if I take some other alphabet 4n or 3m, then my sum will go wrong. Again check it. As I told you, always when you're doing such type of sums, you have to recheck at each step, because at the last when you get the answer, it is difficult to understand where you have gone wrong. So each step, after you finish the step, you just check whether you have done it correctly or not. For few sums, once you are very good at doing the sums, then you don't have to check, but it is always good to do the rechecking. So this we recheck. Now let us recheck this. We have a square, so I have put 2p whole square plus 3m whole square, that is b square plus c square. So this part is done. Now we have to really check over here whether this is correct or not. So 2 multiplied by a, so a is 2p, multiplied by b, that is 3m, that is correct, plus 2. Now 2 multiplied by b, that is 3m, multiplied by c, that is 4n. Okay, then plus 2 multiplied by a, that is 2p, and multiplied by c, that is 4n. Now let us open the brackets. So 2p square, that is a square of 2 also and square of p also. So it will give me 4p square. 2 square is 4 and p square is p square, plus 3 square, 3 3s are 9, m square, plus 4n square, 4 4s are 16n square. So this part is done. Now here, first we now multiply the numbers. Okay, always when you have such expression, first you multiply all the numbers. So this will be 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and then write the alphabets whatever. Now here there is no alphabet. Here there is a p and there is a m, so it will be pm. Okay, mp or pm, you can write it either way. Plus now here also we'll multiply. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and the alphabets are m n, plus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, alphabets are p n. Now here there are there any like terms over here? Now p square, is there a p square? No. M square? No. N square? No. pm, there is no pm. Is there a mn? No, there is a pm. So all the terms are separate here, so there will be no like terms like we had over here. There are no like terms over here. Each term will be separate and they will remain separate only. You cannot add pm and mn. You cannot add mn and pn. Okay, they are separate terms. pm, pn, they are different. pm, mn, they are different. So you will not add all these terms. They will all remain separate only. So the answer for 2p plus 3m plus 4n square is 4p square plus 9m square plus 16n square plus 12pm plus 24mn plus 16pn. So I hope you have followed these sums. In the same way, now you will solve the practice set 5.4. First expand you will solve. I'll just write it down. 5.4, then expand, that is first one is expand. In that you will do sum number 1 to sum number 4. This much you will do. The simplify part I will explain in the next video. I hope you have followed all this. So solve these sums.